Thank you for your interest in Digestive Disease Week. This brief video will show you how to submit a presentation for inclusion at the DDW 2020 ePosters and ePapers site. The DDW 2020 ePosters and ePapers site will open on Saturday, May 2nd. The site will feature full-text abstracts accepted for presentation at DDW 2020 and presentation files, if submitted by the authors. The site is free and open to the public, and no login is required. The site will also feature a forum to allow visitors to submit questions to abstract authors. Presenting authors have the option of submitting a presentation file that will be posted with their abstract. There's no charge to submit a presentation. Presenters are encouraged to submit their files by Friday, May 1st, to coincide with the public opening of the site on Saturday, May 2nd. The deadline to submit a presentation is Tuesday, June 30th. Presenting authors were sent full login instructions from upload@scientificposters.com on April 17th and should refer to that message when accessing the submission site. The presenting author's email address and presentation number are required for login. After logging into the submission site, you'll see all abstracts for which you are listed as the presenting author. When you're ready to upload your file, click on the Upload Presentation button at the right of the screen. Click the Choose File button and then select your presentation file. When complete, click Upload File. You'll now be asked to review your file and then approve your presentation. If you're not happy with the file you have uploaded, you can cancel the upload and then add a new version by clicking the red Cancel button. Once you have approved your file, you can then add audio or video using the buttons in the bottom right corner of the screen. To record audio using the recording tool at the submission site, click the Record Audio button. By using this tool, your audio will be fully synced to your presentation. You also have the option of uploading a pre-recorded audio or video file, which you may do by clicking on the Upload Additional Media Files button. The ePosters and ePapers site will offer a forum option allowing visitors to submit questions to authors. To enable the forums so that you can interact with and answer questions from viewers, be sure to create an Appriser account when you submit your presentation. While you are not required to create an account, doing so will allow you to take advantage of the forum's features, save personal abstract collections, and also email your presentation information to colleagues. Forums will be available when the public site opens on May 2nd. To create an account, click on the Forum tab. Contact DDW Administration at program@ddw.org with any questions. Thank you for submitting your presentation to DDW 2020.